dear student. How are you? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. I'm a teacher Santosh and today I'm going to discuss with you subject mathematics. Dear students, as you know, we have completed our half-yearly syllabus, chapter 1 to 8. Okay, and from today we will start our revision work. Okay, so let's start the revision work from our chapter number 1. Chapter 1. Dear students, you know, our chapter 1 is revision. Okay, revision means in this chapter included all these sums which we have done in our second class. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. Write the following numbers in words. Write in words. Dear students, you know how to write in words. So let's the part number A. Our part number A is 26. Here this one given in figures. Okay, figures like counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So number A is 26. Write this in words. Words means number name. Dear students, you know how to write it in number names. 26. 26. This is the form of word. Like number names. Both are same things. Number names and words. Okay? अगर आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर नेम्स में आता है देन भी आप ऐसे ही राइट करोगे. अगर वर्ड्स में आता है देन भी आप ऐसे ही राइट करोगे. ओके, सो कम ऑन द पार्ट बी. 576. First of all, write here place value ones, tens and hundred. Okay, this is the ones, tens and hundred. So 576. 576. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so come on the part C. 770. 770. First of all, write here ones, tens, hundred. Okay, so 770. So write 770. Okay, same like part D, 313, part E, 506 and part F, 829. Okay, after that, dear students, come on the question number 2. Yes, so come on the question number 2. Question number 2 is write the following numbers in figures. Okay, write the following numbers in figure. Question number 2, write in figures. Okay. Okay. So first question part A is 649. Part A 649. Okay. Okay. So write this in figure 649. So how write it? 649. This is the ones, tens and hundred. 600. Okay. 4 tens, 9 ones. 649. After that come on the part B. 111. 111. hope you understood this very well. Come on the part C. 450. 450. Same like ones, tens, hundred. 400, 5 tens, 0 ones, 50. 450. So next part D is 202. Write 202. Part D is 202. Okay. Part E 710. 710. And last part F is 907. 907. So this is the question number 2. Write the followings in figure. Okay. Okay, dear students, come on the question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is write each of the following in the expanded form. Okay. So dear student, you already learned how to write in expanded form. Okay. Question number 3rd. Okay. So, our first question part A is 147. What is the question? 147. Okay. How to write it in expanded form? Yes. Try to solve. Very good. Yes. First of all, dear students, write place value. Okay. Ones, tens, and hundred. Okay. Is that clear? Ones, 7. Tens, 4. Hundred, 1. Okay. Okay. So, what is the place value of 1? Yes. What is the place value of 1? Yes, 100. Very good. So, write 100. Okay? Yes. Come on the second. What is the place value of 4? Yes. Yes, try to give answer. Yes, place value of 4 tens. 4 tens means 4 tens 40. Yes. Very good. And last one is ones. What is the place value of ones? Yes, 7. Okay, so write lastly 7 is on ones place. So write only 7 here. Okay? Yes. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Come on the question number V. Okay. So, question number V is 317. 317. So, same like dear student. First of all, write place value. Okay? Yes. Very good. 7 ones. 1 tens. And 3 hundred. Yes. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Write same like. Okay. Part B, 370. Okay. Write ones, tens, and 100. Okay, very good. Okay, same like do it in question number A. Okay, 3. What is the place value of 3? Yes, 100. Very good. Write here 300. Yes. Next, what is the place value of 1? Yes, try to give answer. Very good. Place value of 1? Tens. Tens means 10. And what is the place value of 7? Yes, ones. Okay. So write 7. So 317. Okay. 300. 10 ones, 10 tens, 7 ones. 10 tens, 7 ones, 17. So 317. Okay. Same like part C, 430. First of all, same like write ones, tens and 100. Okay? So, first of all, what is the place value of 4? 400. So, write 400. What is the place value of 3? 3 tens. Okay? 3 tens, 30. Very good. And last one is 0. What is the place value of 0? Ones. Yes. So, write 0. Okay? Okay. So, expanded form is 400 plus 30 plus 0. Okay? Means 430. Okay? After that, part D, 307. Place value ones, tens and 100. Okay? So, 3, which place is 3? 100. Very good. After that, tens place is 0. Okay? And ones place is 7. Okay? Clear? This is the expanded form. 147, 100 plus 40 plus 7. After that, 370, 300 plus 10 plus 7. 430, 400 plus 30 plus 0. And last one is 307. 300 plus 0 plus 7. So this is the expanded form. So dear student, come on the question number 4. Question number 4 is write each of the following in short form. Okay? पहले हमने किया expanded form और expanded form का ही opposite है बच्चों short form. ओके? पहले हमें short form में दिया हुआ था, उसको हमने expand करके लिखा. अब हमें expand करके दिया होगा और हम उसको short करके write करेंगे. ओके? So write each of the following in short form. Okay? So question number 1, part A, 200 plus 20 plus 2. Okay? 200 plus 20 plus 2. Write in short form. So 200 plus 20. 200 में कितने ऐड करेंगे? 20. 200 में 20 ऐड करें तो 220. Okay? And 220 में फिर 2 ऐड करें तो 222. So write 222. Okay? Okay? Come on the question number B. 700 plus 10 plus 7. 700 plus 10 plus 7. Okay? So try to write short form. Yes. Yes, very good. 700 plus 10 plus 7. 700 में 10 ऐड किए तो 710. और 710 में 7 ऐड किए तो 717. Okay? Is that clear? Yes, very good. Part C, 500 plus 10 plus 2. 500 plus 10 plus 2. Very good. Yes, 500 plus 10 plus 2. So, how should we write? 512. Okay? Okay. Part D, 400 plus 10 plus 0. Okay? 400 plus 10 plus 0. So, how should we write it in short form? 410. 410. Okay? Okay. So, this is the question number 4, short form. First one is 200 plus 20 plus 2. So, 222. Second one, 700 plus 10 plus 7. 717. See, 500 plus 10 plus 2, 512. And last one is 400 plus 10 plus 0 means 410. Okay. Part E, 600 plus 2 tens plus 8 ones. This is a different question. 600 plus 2 tens plus 8 ones. Okay. Okay. So how should we write it? 600, 2 tens, 8 ones. 600 means 600. 2 tens, 20. 2 tens, 20. And plus 8 ones means 628. Okay. 628. Because 6 is on 100 place. Okay. 2 tens means 20. Okay. And 8 ones means 8. So situation is 628. 600 place, 2 tens place and 8 ones place. Okay. So 628. Same like next question. 200, 3 tens and 9 ones. Same like 200 plus 3 tens plus 9 ones. Yes. Very good. Try to write. Same like question number E. 200 plus 3 tens plus 9 ones. 200 plus 3 tens. 3 tens are 30. Okay. And 9 1, 39. Means 239. 239. Ones, tens and 100. 239. So this is the question number 4. Write each of the following in short form. Okay? Is that clear? I hope all the students understood this very well. So come on the question number 5. So dear students, question number 5 is write the numerals for each of the following. Write the numerals. Okay. Numerals means in figure. Okay. Figure and numerals same thing. Okay. Okay. Question number 5 part A. 200, 1 tens, 7 ones. 1 tens, 7 ones. Okay. So write it in numerals. How write it in numerals? 200, 1 tens, 7 ones. 200 means 200. 1 tens means 10. Okay. And 7 ones. So 217. Okay. 200 place. First of all ones. After that tens. Last one is 100. Okay. So 200. 200. 1 tens. Tens के place पे 1. And ones के place पे 7. Same like? Yes. Is that clear? Okay. Very good. Come on the part B. 4 tens, 2 ones. 4 tens, 2 ones. Here's only 2 forms. Ones and tens. Okay. Not 100 here. Only 2 forms. Ones and tens. 4 tens are 40. Yes. And 2 ones 42. Yes. Very good. 2 ones, 4 tens, 42. आपने काउंटिंग में भी पढ़ा होगा. 4 tens, 2 ones, 4 tens, 42. Okay? So is it clear? Yes. Next, see 200, 2 tens. 200, 200 ones, tens and 100. First of all, write ones, tens and 100. After that, 200, 2 tens. 200, 2 tens. Means 222. Okay? Okay. And next one is 700, 8 ones. 700, 8 ones. First of all, write place value ones, tens and 100. Look at the here, 700, 8 ones. Which place value left here? Yes. Yes, tens is not here. Okay. Only 100 and ones. Okay. Tens is not here. So what we can do? Yes. Very good. Yes. 700. Right. 7 on 100 place. 8 ones. 8 on ones place. Okay. What this one left? So put here 0. Okay. So 708. Is that clear? 708. 708 ones means 708. So this is the question number 5. First one is 200, 110, 7 ones means 217. 4 tens, 2 ones. 4 tens, 2 ones, 42. 200, 2 tens. 200, 2 tens means 200. 2 tens are कितने होते हैं? 20. So write here 220. Okay. And part D, 708 ones. So 708 ones. Put 0 on tens place. Okay.